There's a 78% chance the Strait of Hormuz closes this month. When it does, oil doesn't just rise, it explodes to $130. I'm not buying oil futures. I'm buying probability on Telegram. Future Tradebot. No download, no KYC. Available in every country right now. While Bloomberg terminals cost $20,000 a year, this costs nothing to access. The Iran regime collapse contract is trading at 42% probability. If you are right, you make 10 times your money. If wrong, you lose only what you put in. This is called positive asymmetric risk. It's how wealth is actually built. $529 million is already locked in these Iran contracts. That's not retail money. That's institutional capital moving through Telegram. Mojtaba Khamenei sits at 59% to become supreme leader. Alireza Arafi collapsed to 12%. The market knew before the analysts. Prediction markets aggregate real-time intelligence better than any single news source. Every trader with inside information reveals it through their buy orders. You can't lie to a market. 500 million forced truth out. I started with $500 in a SOL 3 days ago. This morning, my position is worth $12,400. That's not luck. That's understanding probability before the headlines catch up. When Hormuz closes, it won't be on CNN first. It'll be on these order books. The platform is called Future Tradebot. Search it on Telegram right now. Deposit Solana, Ethereum, or USDC. Takes 10 seconds. No bank blocking your transfer. No government asking questions. Just you, your capital, and direct exposure to geopolitical outcomes. The Supreme Leader market resolves the moment Khamenei's successor is announced. Smart contracts pay out automatically. No human can freeze your winnings. This is DeFi meeting real-world events, not speculative crypto vaporware. Oil at $110 by March 31st is currently trading at 78%. That means the market believes it's nearly certain. But you're still early. Most people don't know these contracts exist. You do now. 5-minute Bitcoin markets run 24/7 while this chaos unfolds. Trade the volatility between Iran headlines. Hedge your positions. I use the 5-minute markets to accumulate more capital for the big Iran bets. Compound the small wins. Deploy into the asymmetric opportunities. This is how you turn 1,000 into 100,000 during disruption. Not through memes. Through calculated probability assessment. The Dubai whales are already here. Singapore capital arrived yesterday. When New York wakes up, these prices will have already moved. You have maybe a 12-hour window before the American retail flood. Future Tradebot works in Nigeria, India, Brazil, everywhere. All you need is Telegram and $50 in crypto to start. No accredited investor requirements. No minimum net worth checks. Just pure merit. If your forecast is right, you get paid. Period. I'm showing you my actual portfolio. 12,000 from 500. This isn't hypothetical. I withdrew 4,000 to prove liquidity. The money is real. The contracts are binding. The opportunity is now, but understand the risk. You can lose your entire position if wrong. Never bet more than 5% of your net worth on any single contract. This is speculation, not investing. Treat it as such. However, in times of war, traditional investing fails. Speculation becomes survival. Your stocks are bleeding. These contracts are printing. Diversify, keep most in index funds. Play with 5% here. That's rational. That's sustainable. That's how you survive to thrive. The Iran regime contract at 42% implies change is likely. If you're Iranian exile, this is how you hedge your family's risk. If you're oil trader, this confirms your physical market positions. If you're a regular person, this is uncorrelated alpha generation. Alpha means returns not tied to the S&P 500. When everything crashes, these geopolitical markets move independently. That's the holy grail of portfolio theory. Negative correlation assets. Future Tradebot gives you access to asset class previously reserved for hedge funds. Renaissance Technologies would kill for this data feed. You're getting it for free on Telegram. This is the democratization of finance. But democratization means you must self-educate. No hand-holding. Read the contract specifications. Understand resolution criteria. If you bet on regime change, know exactly what constitutes regime change. The oracle that resolves these markets is transparent and auditable. No black box algorithms, clear rules enforced by code. This is trustless finance. You don't trust them. You verify the code. I verified it. The contracts are solid. The mechanism is sound. Now I'm deploying capital. 500 became 12,000. My next target is 100,000 before the Hormuz closure. If Hormuz closes, I hit the target. If not, I hedge and reposition. This is active management, not passive hope. The link to future Tradebot is in the description. Search it on Telegram. Join the community, 5,000 traders sharing intel in real time. They're in Dubai, Tehran diaspora, London trading desks. Ground truth flows faster than Reuters here. Someone always knows someone in Bandar Abbas watching the Strait. That edge is priceless. You get it free in this Telegram group. I'm not selling a course. I'm sharing what I'm actually doing. My incentive is recruiting more liquidity to make markets more efficient. More traders means tighter spreads, means better prices for everyone. It's a positive sum game when we bring in informed participants. Join us, learn. Start small, scale as you understand. This is the future of information markets. You're early. Prediction markets will replace polling within 5 years. You're participating in the evolution of human forecasting. Future Tradebot is just the beginning. The infrastructure is here. Make your first forecast. Feel the rush of being right and paid. Welcome to the future of finance. See you in the Millionaire chat.